Hello, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a 2023 Regulator 23 powered with twin Yamaha 150s, only about 65 hours. This boat's in great condition. Shark gray hull side with a red stripe. Both port and starboard hulls are in great condition, about as close to new as you can get. We'll hop on board and go through a quick walkthrough. Here in the cockpit of the boat, we have twin Yamaha 150s in great condition, only about 65 engine hours. Big swim platform, bracket with synthetic teak on top, ski pylon, large transom space with twin live wells, pull-out bench seat right there, and then easy access to the transom. Pop that open and you can walk right through. You have a very nice, comfortable leaning post, storage, and cooler underneath. Wraps around on both sides for comfort. Standing here at the helm, we have a single Garmin screen, Yamaha gauges, digital display for all of your engine data, Garmin VHF radio. We do have Bennett trim tabs and all of your switching easily accessible right here at the helm. Electronic throttle and shift for the Yamahas. And look at that enclosure. We have a 3-piece glass enclosure with the vent in the center. Coaming bolsters all the way around. All the upholstery is in nice shape. We have covers for the helm seat, console, and forward lounge seat. Fender clips installed up and down both port and starboard side. Walking up to the bow, you're greeted with expansive bow seating. Backrest on both sides. Nice lounge seats. Forward-facing lounge seat as well with flip-down armrests, full enclosure, fiberglass hardtop with spreader lights built in. Up in the bow, we do have a windlass anchor. Again, this is a 2023 Regulator 23. This is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax in Stuart, Florida. Really beautiful boat in great condition. Great boat for fishing. Great family boat. Really does a little bit of everything. Give me a call at 561-635-6811. Thank you.